Back.
Oh, you think you better than me out here? Oh, okay. Keep that same energy, playboy. Yeah. My mama told me never to trust rappers with gloves on. Let me tell you about the feel every piece of this. Crime! Tell them Crime Mule sent you. Even though I'm keeping score, ain't no games to be played out here. Tourist season. Let's go there, playboy. Let's go there, playboy. Put your beard in, man. Get that out of here, man. Get that gluten-free ass shot up out of here, man. How about that, man? No gluten-free shots in my house, baby. Let's go. Let's see what else you got. Because that last shot wasn't working. Man, you know what? Man, give me this ball, man. I'm snatching purses out here, man. You know what it is. Bon appetit. I am the ancient tree, and I like basketball too, man. Get that shot out of here, young man. Man, what's up now, man? You need to get easy work tatted on your back, playboy. Easy work, man. Graveyard shift. Let's go, playboy. Let's go, man. Your D is soft like toddler thighs, baby. You got that soft D, man. Erectile dysfunction. Let's go, man. Come on. Haberdasheries. All right, playboy. You trying to salvage what manhood you got left? Bless your heart, man. Bless your heart. Let me squall in your face like a porn star, man. You feel that, man? Got your shirt off like you putting in work, man. Put your shirt back on and clock out, man. You ain't doing nothing out here, playboy.
Diesel. Are you high, bud? I think you might be high.
Woody.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pet that dog?
Hey, Jan.
You should have asked.
There's only one thing to do. 3 words for you.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Oh, no, 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 no.